Now we're going to take a look at the two different accounting standards that are used in the US. So we have the accounting profession has created standards that provide guidance on how the financial information is to be reported. And these standards are commonly referred to as the Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP. And in US GAAP, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or otherwise known as the SEC, has the legal authority over and it has mostly delegated the writing of the US GAAP to a private, nonprofit organization called the Financial Accounting Standards Board, or the FASB. One thing to note is that all public US companies, they must follow the US GAAP in preparing their financial statements. And so that's one thing with financial accounting to be aware of, is that there are very specific obligations of how it's supposed to be done, very specific procedures and formats for how this is to be done. And the GAAP sets out how that should be. And it's done through the Financial Accounting Standards Board. Now, we also have what are called the International Financial Reporting Standards, or the IFRS. And the IFRS is a unified set of global accounting standards that allows for the financial statements of companies from different countries that are able to be prepared, because depending upon, a lot of your foreign countries, they're going to use this. And it allows the financial statements for one foreign country to be compared to the financial statements of another foreign country. It is developed, the International Financial Reporting Standards are developed by what's called the International Accounting Standards Board, or the IASB, and that works in partnership with the FASB. So they both work together to create these standards. Now, in the US, private US companies and foreign companies that sell their stock on the US stock markets, they're able to adopt the IFRS if they don't want to use the US GAAP. So if it's a private US company or it's a foreign entity that sells stock on the US stock exchange, they're able to use the IFRS instead of the US GAAP. But otherwise, if they're a public company within the US, they will use, and a private company, they also will have to use the US GAAP.